Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious rice and chicken dish. First, I cleaned the chicken thoroughly, prepared spice mix, paprika, garlic powder, Rajah thyme, Portuguese chicken spice, and of course, I almost forgot to add salt. So I gave it a good mix. After that, I pressed the chicken pieces into a pot, added the spice mix and let it boil for a few minutes. After that, I poured in more water because I wanted to use the chicken stock later to cook the rice. So I made sure that there was plenty of liquid. Once the chicken was partially cooked, I moved it into the pan, began frying it. So look at how nice and golden brown it turned. In another pot, I sauteed some onions, added a bit more Rajah spice, and gave it a good stir. When the onions were nicely cooked, I added in some tomato paste and continued stirring until everything was well combined. Then I poured the chicken stock. This is what I'll be using to cook the rice. I didn't add any extra water, but if your stock isn't enough, feel free to add a little more water. Once the stew was ready, I added the rice and I covered the pot to let it cook. After a few minutes, I gave it a good stir, topped it with some fresh onions for that fresh and flavorful touch. Yes, I let it cook a little longer and then it was done. Look at how beautiful this food looks. A solid 10 out of 10. Karibu. And look at how nice the food is looking. And please don't forget to hit the subscription button, like or share, comment. Thank you.